Guys, ATM na naman, another vlog na naman di sa NMAX 155 version 2, bagong-bago. Package A ang inabil ni boss, which is PIA Auto Style and Icon version 2. Tapos kinabit natin sa magkabilang gilid, 3-offer stainless bracket yung ginamit natin. The same time, may passing light to, naka dual horn, naka rapid mode. Tsaka mga materials na ginamit natin dito, syempre nito tape, Denso relay, fuse box Japan, tsaka Japan wire, alright? Night owl, mini driving light switch. Tapos nagkabit na rin tayo ng Ducati side mirror, alright? Sige, yung bato ng low beam ng icon, Kuya Kit. Alright, solid white, high beam, solid yellow, off mini driving, passing light. Alright, low beam, passing light. Alright, high beam, passing light. Alright, stock mode muna na walang rapid, walang combo. Alright, switch mode naman ng rapid, PIA na malakas lang, walang rapid. Alright, switch mode mo naman sa rapid. Alright, passing light. Passing light. Oh, yun, no? Rapid. PIA na malakas. Sa mga gusto mag-avail, wait mo lang at ang concept. Ayan, number 9, UP Diliman, Quezon City. Andito rin yung isang PCS package, Ayan, guys.